Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll bring you guys something new. And let's start with our compiler final proposal. Two main topics in agenda. First is paper oral presentation, and second one is code explanation. Before we standing, here's a QR code for the Chinese version website I wrote that easily for reading. Okay, let's keep going. The paper I am going to introduce to you guys is Parsing Statement List program using Flex and Bison. This paper will be separated to 5 steps: background, system overview, parsing, translating, and conclusion. And here are 7 keywords to know. Will be mentioned after the while. STL, name the statement list. It is a low-level assembly language. Static program analysis. It is to analyze computer software performed without actual executing program. Flex and Bison are scanner generator and a parser generator. Because no form is a formal grammar for species. Programmable Logic Controllers, PLC, a ruggedized computer used for industrial automation. IEC 611313, a standardized programming language for PLC programs. Step 7 STL for CMOS, the type of PLC controllers we use. 4 aspects in background. Why? It is all because of the bottleneck of STL, the different dialogue from vendors, and the side effects from IR that we didn't want. What? The scope we talk about is based on the structure of front end. How? Using Flex and Bison for scanner and parser generating. Analyze. Verified with the Step 7 STL. In system overview, something familiar, right? The graph below was taught before midterm, and the above one is the structure we use. Step 1. We got the lexical specification and the grammar rules. Step 2. Then automatically scanner and the parser. Step 3. The scanner analyzes a sequence of characters derived from source file and converts to predefined tokens. Step 4. Parser figures out the relationship among the input tokens. And step 5. We got IR. Now we focus on the parsing work. 3 partitions dedicated as lexical analysis, BNF, and syntax analysis. And we briefly showing the structure of Flex and Bison actually work. For lexical analysis, it is 3 sections as shown, and they will be separated with 2% sign. BNF, it is a purple standard for syntax tree. Syntax analysis, there are 4 main types modules to use. Organization block, OB, function block, FB, function, FC, and data block, DB. And inside the block, there are 3 presentations: prog deck, program declarations, for deck variable declarations, instructions, STL instructions. And more details as it. The vertical bar means no more non-terminals need to parse, and LF means new line characters. Now, let's talk about the side effects. We focus on these two registers that mainly interact the side effects, accumulators and status word. To fix the side effect that we have 5 ways to do with the instructions, including bit logic, arithmetic, load and transfer, compare, and jump instructions. After doing the whole previous work that we could get easier application of static analysis to proprietary PLC programming languages, and so on. Let's go to the next stage of code explantation.